We guide you through how to change Payoneer address. First, log into your Payoneer account on the website or app, then go directly to Settings menu located at the top right corner. Click on Account Details and select Contact Details or Personal Details, depending on your account type. Next, find the Address section and click Edit or pencil icon. Carefully enter your new complete address including street, city, postal code, and country. Make sure everything matches your valid ID or utility bill to avoid rejection. After updating, click Save or Submit and wait for Pioneer's review process. In some cases, they may ask you to upload proof of address like a bank statement or utility bill. Once submitted, check your email regularly for confirmation or additional verification steps. And finally, once approved, your new address will automatically reflect your account and to be used for future transaction billing. Always double check your details before saving because incorrect information can delay payouts or verification.